Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Begin by parking the Nissan Kicks on level ground, set the parking brake, and confirm the engine is cool for at least 30 minutes. Open the hood and disconnect the negative battery terminal using a 10 mm wrench. Wait 60 seconds to allow systems to discharge. Wear gloves and safety glasses to protect hands and eyes. Gather tools: a replacement mass airflow sensor, a T20 Torx driver, a 10 mm socket, and a clean rag. Keep the work area free of loose parts and debris. Start by locating the mass airflow sensor between the airbox and the throttle body on your Nissan Kicks. Unclip the electrical connector by pressing the release tab and pulling straight back. Avoid twisting the plug. Loosen the intake hose clamp at the airbox with a 10 mm socket, then gently slide the rubber intake hose away from the MAF housing. Remove the MAF mounting screws using a T20 Torx driver, keeping screws in a safe spot. Carefully lift the sensor straight out, avoiding contact with the sensing element or tip. Before installing, compare the new MAF to the old unit to confirm orientation and connector match. The airflow arrow must point toward the engine. Seat the new sensor into the airbox, then reinstall the T20 Torx screws and tighten them snugly without over-torquing. Slide the intake hose back onto the MAF and tighten the clamp with a 10 mm socket until snug. Reconnect the electrical connector until it clicks. Reconnect the negative battery terminal with a 10 mm wrench. Start the engine, let it idle, and verify a stable idle and no check engine light. Clear codes if necessary.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.